Yo, how we doing? It's Matty B. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. It's Friday, and this weekend we are trying something new. We are headed to a PitBike National, PitBikeMoto in Williamston, North Carolina. Got nothing in the back of the whip, no bike. Thanks to my boy Joe Dirt, Caleb Carter. He's bringing me a pit bike to ride. Tonight is some practice, so be able to get acclimated to the pit bike. I've never done a pit bike race before. I used to ride pit bikes all the time. A lot of laps spent on my boy Corey Radcliffe's track up the street from where I used to live. But it's been a long time. I mean, 10, 12 years at least, probably more, since I've actually really put in some laps on a pitter. And yeah, I'm excited to just do something new, something fun. There's some money on the line, but I don't know if I'm gonna have the talent to get it or not. I'm just excited to try something new and have good times with good people, baby. That's what it's all about. We got Jetson up here in the Kia, running that SMX championship background, even on the license plate, no choice. Fresh off some altercation with Ombre. At least we know his neck's good though. He just got a full chiropractic adjustment. Whoa, that is Gnarls Barkley. I hope that guy somehow made it out of that. Prayers up. Carnage on the highway, not cool. Here we are. I don't know who the f Bob Martin is, but we're out here at his agricultural center. Place looks kind of sick, actually. It might be Titty City in there. I'm only in the sign-up line. We got a t-shirt banded down. Even Stace at Carnage. Everyone's eligible. Here's the unit. Stock KLX 140, courtesy of Joe Dirt. I'm even number 86 and everything. We're gonna have to slash that. I'm even equipped with a headlight. We're ready for anything. Live with Pizza Man. PitBike National. Yeah. Yee. Takes him down! No way! I think there's some three-wheelers mixed in. This guy said, F it, I ain't even trying. There we go, three-wheeler. Unbelievable. And we got Cotton Candy, three-wheel combo, Whiplash in the contract. That one's a lowrider. Dino and AP side by side. You guys are animals. Rips him on the three wheels. Oh, Hucklebuck! Ow, dude. Oh, whoa, loose. Where's he going? He made it through. Unbelievable. Would not have bet on that. Whoa. Oh, he's down. You're gonna die. You're gonna ragdoll. Wow, that dude just ate through those things. Got me beat on the YZ250. One more run for good measure on the way off the course. That dude's an animal. Yeah, you got some displeasure already in practice? Please tell me yes. I know they like to fight at these things. I think that's the last thing I need to do to get some clout. I gotta get in a fight. No choice. Larry action. Oh, Indonesia swan dive. We're good. Oh no, he's good. Unbelievable. Save of the century. What a legend. He's just headed back to the house. You know, I'm a little underpowered. forward, so I might take my visor off and run the aerodynamics spec like this unit. Bullet Head National. Is that Adam Santarello? Dude, you're supposed to be in Anaheim. Yo, this guy over there has a shirt that says, "In pizza we crust."
Oh, dude, that's Cerrone.
Oh, no way.
He's parked with us.
Let's go. Whoa, we got the Epilepsy National up there. Holy shit. Party rock. First couple sessions done. Feel like I don't suck too bad, but we're a little underpowered, but not anything we aren't used to. We're just WFO, using the clutch like slow bar shit out there, but we're having fun. Got our work cut out for us, but it's a good time. I think the only problem I'm having is I'm on a 4-stroke, so we'll get there when it's time. Pizza Man's Honda is malfunction. What's the deal, dude?
Just doing a little bit of blue collar shit, you know?
Dude, I didn't even realize your little button up was pizza too. That's so sick. This man's committed to a life of slicing it up.
Straight pizza.
We got Corey Broyle sizing up a fat one. Yeah! Yanked it. Salute the crowd. Come on. Damn it, he's all business. Yeah. 450 on this track. He's a braver man than I. We got Banks Hovey. I'm waiting for him to bust a backflip off this middle jump. I'm forgetting the name of that trick, but I think he's about to do a death roll. Yeah, no, he's keeping it basic. Nitro Circus legend Banks Hovey trying to take over from Pastrana. Oh! They almost pulled the Pizza Man no depth perception special.
So close.
Get your camera out. Come on, don't just stand there. Drove all the way here. Get some content. Salutes the fans. Mike Corbin, 143. Buddy Antonez, 100. Might be Mike Brown, actually. I don't know. Stunned. Joe Dirt stole my bike. That's actually his. And he's trying to blow out all the smoke so I can't meet him tomorrow. Even though he would have to get hit by a train tonight for that to happen. Pizza Man, your Honda's tires are like flat, brother. Yeah. I'm not even kidding. Whoa, Joe, dude. Keep my bike intact. That's not mine. What's gonna make barking out orders to the guy that brought me a bike to race? I'm gonna quiet down. Oh! No chance of self-defending. Lawyer on speed dial. The guy that fought AJ is here. Maybe that's my guy. Maybe that's him. Whoa! Cool! Fleetwood Mac, go your own way, pit bike style. We've switched it into the short sleeves. We've gone full pit biker. No choice. jam, but he stays in it. Three-wheeler battle. 6 wheels in total. God. Oh, he never learns. This guy's so loose. Oh yeah, loose units engaged. Oh, that's dangerous. Oh man. I love it. These guys come equipped for everything. It's dark outside now, so we just pull out all the stops, run the headlight. I think they even got their brights on. What are we doing? Please fight. Oh, now we're charging to catch them. The chase is on. Do we have Pizza Man out there with 2 flat tires again? He doesn't care. He'll send it either way. Wow, okay. This thing is sick. Whoa, Pizza Man! Oh, there it is! Almost gets ran over by the electric. Oh, Pizza Man! Oh, Pizza Man, that turned down the off-the-track combo. Oh, well, ejecto! Right into your living room. We're down. Let's go, Pizza Man! Can't even get the goggles off, but he lets it. Ooh. Yeah, let's go, Baltimore. Yeah! I didn't even see this. Are they beeping or what? Oh! The guy went for the big line and ruined himself behind that jump. Man, we got people running. I just missed it. I wouldn't have got it anyway. It's behind, out of sight. Stop! He takes that thing so hard, he need a team of lawyers. That was insane. 50 stinky banks. Yeah! Backflip. God, imagine launching this berm right here. The friggin' roof isn't even tall enough for that kind of activity. Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh my God! That was whiskey throttle and a half from red spokes. Oh my Lanta! How are they kind of up? Bike is trashed. Picking parts up off the ground. Oh man, I think these guys ride for HRC. They're just dyslexic. Night 1, practice night complete of the PitBikeMoto National. Was so much fun. I had a blast. Doing a little bit of slower speed action. Feels a little bit safer, a little less anxiety inducing. So I'm having fun with it. We're out here for race day right now, getting ready to be upon us. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I pretty much feel like I'm WFO on the stock KLX 140 setup, so I'm not sure how much faster I'm gonna be able to go, and I don't know that the start is exactly gonna be in my favor, but it, we're here for a good time, not really worried about it, and there's been some carnage already, so I think the content's gonna be good, and it's just fun trying something new, doing something a little bit out of the comfort zone. So thanks again to my boy Joe Dirt for providing a bike. Thanks to you guys for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for race day. It's about to be hectic.